Okay guys, so this is what I got so far for the the PC build. This is my first time making a PC, so let me know how I did. I got the motherboard installed, the RAM, the SSD card is under here, and then I guess I can install extra SSD cards here. GPU 5070, the water cooler. This thing was pretty hard to get in there. I hope I didn't fuck it up. And yeah, so I guess all that's left is to do the wiring. Obviously you can see the mess here. This manual was definitely the most helpful part.